What is onion and it for benefit?
The term onion can have several meanings depending on the context.
Here are a few common interpretations. As a vegetable, an onion is a type of edible bulb plant that belongs to the Allium genus. Here are some key characteristics and information about onions as a vegetable.
Varieties. Onions come in various varieties, including red onions, white onions, yellow onions, and sweet onions. Each variety has its own distinct flavor, ranging from pungent and spicy to mild and sweet. Flavor. Onions have a unique and strong flavor that can range from sweet to sharp, depending on the variety and how they are prepared. Cooking onions can mellow their flavor and make them sweeter. Culinary uses. Onions are a versatile vegetable used in a wide range of culinary dishes. They can be sautéed, caramelized, grilled, pickled, or eaten raw. Common uses include adding them to soups, stews, sauces, salads, sandwiches, and as a base for many savory dishes. Nutrition. Onions are a nutritious vegetable. They are low in calories and a good source of dietary fiber, vitamin C, and various minerals.
They also contain antioxidants and sulfur compounds that may offer health benefits.
Storage. Onions should be stored in a cool, dry, and well-ventilated place. They have a relatively long shelf life when stored properly. It's important to keep them away from potatoes, as the gases released by each can cause spoilage in the other. Peeling. To peel an onion, you typically remove the papery outer layers, cut off the root end, and then slice, chop, or dice the onion as needed for your recipe. Cultural significance. Onions have been cultivated and consumed by various cultures around the world for thousands of years. They are an integral part of many traditional cuisines.
Health benefits. Onions are believed to offer various health benefits, including potential antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. Some studies suggest they may contribute to heart health and have antimicrobial effects.
In summary, onions are a widely used and versatile vegetable in cooking, known for their distinctive flavor and culinary applications in a wide range of dishes. They are also valued for their potential health benefits and nutritional value. As a food ingredient, onions are a versatile and commonly used ingredient in cooking to add flavor and aroma to various dishes.
Here's more information about onions in this context. Flavor enhancement. Onions are valued for their ability to enhance the flavor of many dishes. They have a unique combination of sweet and pungent flavors that can add depth and complexity to recipes. Culinary uses. Onions can be prepared in various ways, depending on the desired outcome. Common culinary uses of onions include sautéing. Sautéed onions are a classic starting point for many savory dishes. They are often used as a base for sauces, soups, and stews. Caramelizing. Caramelized onions are cooked slowly until they become sweet and brown. They are a delicious topping for burgers, sandwiches, and pizzas. Raw onions can be chopped or sliced and added to salads, sandwiches, and salsas for a crisp and pungent flavor. Pickling. Onions can be pickled in vinegar or brine to create a tangy and flavorful condiment. Cultural significance. Onions are a fundamental ingredient in the cuisines of many cultures around the world. They are used in Indian curries, Italian pasta sauces, Mexican salsas, French soups, and countless other dishes. Varieties. Different onion varieties offer varying flavors and culinary applications. Red onions are often used raw in salads for their mild sweetness and vibrant color, while yellow onions are a versatile choice for sautéing and caramelizing due to their strong flavor. Nutritional value. Onions are relatively low in calories but provide essential nutrients like vitamin C, dietary fiber, and various minerals. They also contain antioxidants and sulfur compounds that may have health benefits. Storage. Onions should be stored in a cool, dry, and well-ventilated place. Proper storage can extend their shelf life and maintain their quality. Preparation. To prepare onions, you typically remove the papery outer layers, cut off the root end, and then slice, chop, or dice them as needed for your recipe. In summary, as a food ingredient, onions are a staple in the culinary world due to their ability to add flavor, aroma, and depth to a wide range of dishes. They are used in various forms and cuisines, making them a versatile and essential component of many recipes. In the context of the Internet and online privacy, onion refers to the Tor network and the .onion domain. Here's a brief explanation. Tor network, Tor, short for the Onion Router, is a privacy-focused network that allows users to browse the Internet anonymously. It achieves this by routing Internet traffic through a series of volunteer-operated servers, encrypting the data at each step. This makes it difficult for anyone, including Internet service providers and government agencies, to trace the origin and destination of the traffic. The Tor network is often used by individuals who wish to protect their online privacy and anonymity. .onion domain, websites that are hosted on the Tor network use a special top-level domain called .onion. These websites are often referred to as onion sites. .onion domains are not accessible through the regular internet but can only be reached when using the Tor browser, which is configured to access the Tor network. Onion sites are known for their enhanced privacy and security features, and they are often associated with websites that prioritize anonymity, such as forums, marketplaces, and whistleblowing platforms. The term onion in this context comes from the layered approach of the Tor network, where data is encrypted and rerouted through multiple servers, similar to the layers of an onion. This process helps protect the identity and location of users on the network. It's important to note that while Tor can provide anonymity and privacy, it is also sometimes associated with illegal activities due to its potential for concealing users' identities. However, Tor is used by many individuals and organizations for legitimate purposes, such as protecting freedom of speech, evading censorship, and ensuring online privacy in regions with strict internet surveillance. The phrase onion layers is often used metaphorically to describe layers or levels of something, often in the context of complexity, depth, or understanding. This metaphor is derived from the physical structure of an onion, which has multiple layers that can be peeled away one by one. Here's how the metaphorical use of onion layers works. Complexity: when describing a complex issue or problem, people may say that it has multiple onion layers. This means that there are various aspects, factors, or levels of intricacy that need to be considered or understood. Depth of understanding: the metaphor can also be used to convey the idea that understanding a subject or concept requires peeling back the layers of information or analysis. As you delve deeper into a topic, you uncover more nuanced and detailed information. Revealing the truth: in some cases, onion layers can imply that there is more to a situation than meets the eye. Peeling back these layers may reveal hidden truths or motivations. Gradual exploration: just as you peel back an onion layer by layer, the metaphor suggests that understanding or uncovering something may be a gradual process that requires patience and thorough investigation. For example, in a business context, someone might say, "The issue with this project has many onion layers, we need to dig deeper to find the root causes." This implies that there are multiple aspects contributing to the problem, and a comprehensive analysis is required to address it effectively. In literature, storytelling, and everyday conversation, the onion layers metaphor is a way to convey the idea that there is more complexity or depth to a situation than initially apparent, and it often encourages deeper exploration and understanding. Without more context, it's challenging to determine the specific meaning of onion you're referring to. If you have a specific context or usage in mind, please provide more details, and I'd be happy to provide a more precise explanation.